Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Backyard Cricket Conversations, where we'd be reviewing the first day's play, technically the second day's play. I am Devang.
Hi, I'm Dhruv.
Thank you, Dhruv, for introducing yourself. You didn't get the cue,
Thanks a
did
lot.
you?
Missed it by a mile.
Let's just jump right into it. First session. As per you, who won that session?
First day.
Oh
Let's
yes,
just jump
exactly,
right into
man.
it.
Yes, first day.
First day. So how did you like the coverage of the first day?
It was great weather coverage, and this is probably the first time I don't see a hot weather girl. I was still glued to the television to know when it's gonna stop raining. It was pretty exciting, I would say. And I like,
Exactly.
I really like the concept of doing the coin toss on the second day. Very, very nice, very innovative.
Very different. As it should be. It's the
Yeah,
World
it's the
Test
first time,
Championship
first time
finals.
it's happening. No, oh my god,
Right.
pretty good, huh?
And Virat Kohli made some comments before the match.
Yeah, which were very disappointing because he went out and said that for the last 5 years we've played to be where we are right now, and which is fine. For the last 5 years, we are the number one test playing nation. And he said that it is just another test match. We don't consider it to be anything else. This won't decide who's the best team in the world. This is a very defensive mindset going into the finals of something that is happening after 144 years. I don't think so. People understand how big this is. There have been
Right.
many greats who
I
played the game and they haven't had the chance to represent their teams in this. Like Sir Donald Bradman, the greatest ever batsman in Test cricket, he could not do it. Sachin, greatest of
right.
the 21st century, he could not do it. Then you have Ricky Ponting, the best of the captains, Steve Waugh, Graham Smith. I would put Graham Smith in the best of the captains as well in terms of Test cricket. So these people could not do it. You have finally gotten the chance, and you cannot just say that it's just another test match. I understand that you're trying to calm down some nerves, but that's not the way to do it.
Also this has to be right up there with World Cup, World Cup for the
It has to
ODIs
be.
and World Cup for the
I,
T20s.
yeah. I genuinely feel that the Test Championship should happen every 4 years, once in 4 years, just like the World Cup happens. It should be
Right.
that, man. It should be given that much
And I
importance.
I couldn't agree with you more, and I would want it to go on for 3-4 months. Like it should be played on a stretch,
Yeah,
multiple matches happening simultaneously, having
exactly,
a
man.
semi-final, a final. So the toss happened on the second day, right?
Yep.
Quite interesting, quite different. We all agree, and like all the other tosses which have happened before, Virat Kohli lost the toss.
So he's being consistent. That's what Virat Kohli is known for. He's
Well
been
said,
very,
well said.
very, very, very consistent.
But despite all the odds, like I personally, I didn't think that India would stand any chance on this first day because of the conditions and everything. And we had Trent Bolt, Tim Saudi, Wagner, like everyone, Kylie Jameson. Like we had these people, and we everyone knew. I think that this would be extremely difficult for India. So, uh, despite all of that, Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill, they showed like tremendous composure and played brilliantly.
Yes, and New Zealand also helped them out. 10 over तक Saudi was for first 10 overs. Saudi was ineffective. He was all over the place, and we all know. And उसकी history भी बहुत खराब है. He cannot handle the pressure very well. ठीक है? This was a high pressure game. This is a high pressure game, and he did not handle that well. 10 ओवर के बाद
Right.
आते ही दूसरी बॉल पे जेमिसन आपको दिखा रहा है कि कितना बड़ा इनफील्डर मैं फेंक सकता हूँ. And he's what
Exactly. मतलब
6 feet 6, right? Or more than that actually.
6 feet 8.
He's 6 feet 8. For someone
Yeah, six
to
feet eight,
be
six
that
feet nine. Yeah.
tall and still pitch the ball up, पूरे स्पेल में सऊदी ने मेरे ख्याल से वो पहले स्पेल में 2 बारी उसने बॉल डाली है, ऊपर डाली है, एंड दोनों बार एज लगा. एंड में आउट
And
भी तो
and
ऐसे
and
ही हुआ है
the
ना.
the most amazing thing is कि आपको एक 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 काफी inexperienced
He's
bowler
not even
ये
10
दिखा
test
रहा
match
है.
old, yaar. He's not even 10
Yeah,
test
and
match old.
he's basically showing you how to swing the ball. Like, and these two are masters of doing that, right?
मतलब यार
ये
आप
Trent Bolt was still like I'd say a smidge better than
he was still better than
Saudi.
Saudi. Saudi was a huge disappointment, man. This is the major difference between Broad and Tim Saudi. Broad, in terms of quality, maybe way behind than Saudi, but he gets more wickets. Because वो हमेशा बैट्समैन को खिलाता है, ठीक है. ही इज ऑलवेज पिचिंग द बॉल अप. ही नोज. आजकल के टाइम में बहुत सारे लोग खेल ही नहीं पाते यार. स्विंग बॉलिंग नहीं खेल पाते. स्पिन बॉल भी ढंग से नहीं खेल
Right.
पाता वो. सबको इतने ज्यादा अकस्टम हो चुके हैं और फ्लैट बैटिंग ट्रैक्स दैट व्हेनेवर द बॉल स्टार्ट डिविएटिंग अ लिटिल दे डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू.
Right.
एंड आपके पास स्किल लेवल तो
And
नहीं है ना जेम्स एंडरसन वाला, ठीक है. जेम्स एंडरसन का स्किल लेवल तो अलग है. ब्रॉड हैज अ लिमिटेड स्किल सेट, बट सेम वही है. विराट कोहली हैज अ लिमिटेड स्किल सेट, बट एंड रोहित शर्मा हैज in terms of talent and quality बहुत better है. But you see Virat Kohli scoring more runs because he sticks to his strengths.
right. And so coming back to the partnership, Gill, Rohit, both of them played well. Both were like they looked confident. They looked aggressive. Um, I think that's the best the opening partnership that we could have hoped for on the first day, on the
I
first
think
second day.
if somebody walks up to me and tells me that the first session was shared, I would say the first session was won by India. There is no way India would have won this session. Okay, so the best case scenario for them was to draw the session, to have this session shared. And new मतलब टॉस हार के बैटिंग कर रहे हो आप और अभी कवर्स हटे हैं. There were a number of things that could have gone wrong. A number of things gone wrong.
Like it was a masterclass in opening. I'd
It
say
was, and
both
they
of
were,
them.
and Gill was very nervous at the start. Okay, understandable.
Right.
Okay, he was very nervous. He was trying a lot of things. Okay, but मतलब जब आप अनसेटल भी करना चाहते हो किसी बॉलर को, तो आप थोड़ा सा, अगर आप अनसेटल कर रहे हो, you want to walk down the pitch, you do it in a better way. You don't do it like it's an afterthought. And he got hit on the head, man. That was a brute of a delivery.
Grill, right.
सीधा मुंह पे पड़ा है यार उसके.
Him and then Pujara.
पुजारा तो चलो ठीक है.
मतलब he takes a jab in every match now. So
पुजारा का तो पता ही था. पुजारा
it's like I think a good luck charm for us now.
हाँ, तो पुजारा को अगर नहीं लगता तो पुजारा I think gets.
हाँ, मतलब I think वो performance नहीं आती.
Pujara needs the ball to find the middle of his body, not the middle of his back.
Correct. And then after all of that, the brilliant opening stand and everything, Rohit got out chasing a ball way outside off stump.
क्योंकि एक मिनट यार, मेरे को एक चीज बताओ ना. उसको आपने टेस्ट नहीं किया ना पहले 20 ओवर में. ऐसे वो शायद पहले भी एच कर देता. आपने उसको टेस्ट नहीं किया. आप फर्स्ट टेस्ट काइल जेमिसन है या पता नहीं काइली जेमिसन है जो ठीक है, जेमिसन को आप लेकर आए फर्स्ट टेस्ट. आप सेकंड चेंज उसको थोड़ी ले आओगे डिग्रैंडम को. वैगनर आना चाहिए ना भाई.
यार वैगनर ने आई थिंक लास्ट 1.5 साल से सिर्फ यही प्रूव करते करते निकाल दिया कि मैं स्विंग भी करा सकता हूँ.
मतलब यार ये तो माकूड वाली हालत.
और क्या चाहिए हमको.
इंग्लैंड माकूड की हालत करता है ना, वही ये वैगनर की कर रहा है. वैगनर इज अ टेरिफिक बॉलर यार.
After Wagner getting Gill out, we got Pujara. मतलब डरा तो दिया था उसने न्यूजीलैंड को जब वो 20-22 बॉलों पे उसने वो नहीं किया था, रन नहीं मारा था. डर तो गए थे.
हाँ, क्योंकि
उनको दिख रहा था कि हम
कोहली ने आके पहले उससे he got off the mark and Pujara went without scoring a run and वो फर्स्ट सेशन वहां खत्म हुआ.
हाँ, एंड आई एम श्योर कि मतलब न्यूजीलैंड बाहर जाके यही सोच रहा होगा ना कि यार अब हमें पूरा दिन यही करना है.
हाँ,
मतलब यही. And then somehow that one weakness he has got to him.
Second session में विलियमसन अगेन मिस्ड ट्रिक, ठीक है, आपके 2 विकेट टेकर्स हैं, आप फिर स्टार्ट कर रहे हो जेमिसन से एंड उसके बाद आप फिर ग्रैंडम को लेकर आ गए, नॉट इवन बोल्ट, नॉट इवन साउदी फॉर अनदर रन, गेट ग्रैंडम नहीं था यार, मतलब पुजारा को अगर आपको आउट करना है एंड यू सी दैट पुजारा इज बिल्डिंग अप दैट इनिंग्स, ठीक है, वो प्रॉपर उसमें चल रहा है, वो अपने जोन में आ चुका है, उसने 25-26 बॉलें खेली, ही डजंट केयर अबाउट स्कोरिंग रन, ठीक है, वो आ चुका है, अपने जोन में घुस रहा है, एंड उस टाइम पे आप कर रहे हो कि आप बिग हैंडम दे रहे हो उसको, whereas in the last 5 innings that Pujara has played against New Zealand, Bolt has gotten him out thrice and Jamieson has gotten him out twice. आज भी बोल्ट ही लेकर गया उसको, तो आप मतलब किस लेवल पे सोच रहे हो, या मतलब क्या डू यू नॉट नो दी स्टैट्स एज अ कैप्टन, मतलब इतनी तो कोई पहले सीरीज भी नहीं हुई, 1 साल पहले ही तो सीरीज हुई है।
आई थिंक नर्व्स ही हैं, क्योंकि
इतनी
we
ज्यादा
all
नहीं ना,
know he's a
मतलब
good
20,
captain.
आई नो, बट 20 ओवर हो गए ना, 20-25 ओवर हो चुके हैं, अब तो नर्व सेटल डाउन होगी ना, आप 3 दिन, आप यू कांट मेक अ मिस्टेक ऑन डे 3 एंड देन टेल मी दैट यू नो व्हाट द नर्व्स डिड इट, कितना टाइम आपको चाहिए सेटल होने के लिए?
From one captain to another, Kohli
एग्जैक्टली, ब्रिलियंट,
was outstanding from the very first ball. Like he had the right temperament. He understood the situation well. He played the situation beautifully. Like उसके लिए लग नहीं रहा था कि genuinely जो उसने मैच से पहले बोला है उसको, I think ये उसके लिए it was just another test match for him. I think that was by heart then.
मैं genuinely बोल रहा हूँ, the way Virat was aggressive, ठीक है, with his approach, and he'll always be aggressive, ठीक है, वो उसका बॉडी लैंग्वेज ही ऐसा है, मतलब आप बहुत फनी होता है पुजारा और विराट कोहली की पार्टनरशिप देखना, बहुत फनी होता है, बिकॉज कॉन्ट्रास्ट बिल्कुल, ठीक है, कोहली वाज आउट देयर, ही वाज वेरी, मतलब he wanted to be there, he wanted to come out and perform.
As soon as Pujara got out, हमको दिखा कि वो उसका exceptional running between the wickets was it was an amazing thing कि basically जैसे एक बैट्समैन आउट होता है, दूसरा बैट्समैन आता है and you know कि this batsman can run, the other one can run.
एक बात बोलूं,
और उसके बाद डबल्स और ट्रिपल्स,
हाँ, running between the wickets, Virat Kohli goes out there and puts on a clinic, ठीक है, वो दिखाता है कि भाई कैसे हो सकता है, and when he starts creating that pressure, he knew the situation, he knew कि ये occasion क्या है, and that is why I was highly impressed with Kohli. He wanted to make a mark on this test, ठीक है, he wanted to,
right, and he did that. So that's the best part कि जो सोचा है वो execute भी कर रहा है,
execute
and that has been his,
हाँ,
we all know, I think his career.
I think there is no greater cricketer who's been able to plan his innings that way. There were a lot of plays and misses with Rahane. He was hitting the ball, नहीं समझ आ रहा, एक तो क्या होता है कि नेचुरल टेक्निक क्या है रहाणे की, he plays in the V, ठीक है, आता है तो बैट ऐसे शफल होता हुआ आता है, ठीक है, ऊपर नीचे होता हुआ आता है, तो इतना गैप बन जाता है उसमें. Now when you're playing in England, you realize कि हाँ ये गैप मेरे को इन स्विंगर में भी प्रॉब्लम करेगा एंड आउट स्विंगर में भी करेगा. So in order to negate that, in order to compensate, आपका बैट या तो जल्दी आता है या लेट आता है. हाँ, और बैट क्या जल्दी आता है या लेट आता है. स्विंग को नेगेट करने का एक तरीका है, आप क्रीज से बाहर खड़े हो जाओ, थोड़ा सफल करो.
The most interesting thing for me is that despite having shaky starts in the past and everything, same in this match, Rahane ends up scoring runs. That is his thing कि मैं खेलूंगा ऐसे ही, जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं हर इनिंग में आके मिडिल करूंगा, ठीक है, बट मैं रन मार जाऊंगा.
But that is the temperament of a test cricketer.
That is his thing.
That is the temperament of a test cricketer, a good test cricketer.
And he gets better. That's the thing कि वो like after that initial 20-30 runs ना जो वो उस phase में लेता है, उसके बाद he gets better.
He does. But Rahane का है, that's his trademark. वो आते ही shaky लगेगा, आपको लगेगा वो edge निकल गया, बस मैं Rahane को out करने ही वाला हूँ, but नहीं Rahane. But Rahane has also scored a lot of runs in the Ranji format.
He is the leading run scorer for India in World Test
World
Championship.
Test Championship, right? That's because he's played every Test match as well.
Virat Kohli supposedly edged the ball, and there was an appeal, and umpires didn't give any decision. Both of the umpires didn't give any decision, and it went upstairs. It was an umpire's review, and Williamson was just about to take the review, and umpires told them that we are going to review right now. So his review was cancelled out. So what happened was, technically what should have been done was that umpires should have taken the their review and just checked the ball whether it was caught cleanly or not.
हाँ,
They
whether
ended
the
up
ball
checking the
carried.
Sneeko as
हाँ,
well.
exactly. Sneeko का तो कोई sense नहीं बनता ना यार.
कोई sense नहीं बनता
Sneeko
था,
का
and they
कोई
ended up
sense नहीं
that
बनता.
as well. And
वो
that is
फिर
where my problem comes in कि आप basically आपने opposite team के captain का review उसके लिए ले लिया. It doesn't make sense. You don't go for review on each
New
and every
Zealand
wicket,
could have
right?
been
तो इसलिए क्यों कर रहे
easily
हो?
down by 2 reviews. ठीक है, they would have only left with 1 review. बहुत easily हो सकता था because the Kane Williamson की body language suggested that he was going for that review no matter what. He knew that Virat Kohli is a huge wicket.
The thing
He
was that
also had that
no one
belief.
understood it.
आप यार बिना डिसीजन के कैसे रह सकते हैं यार? कैसे
हाँ,
होता है?
मतलब
ये
no
क्या
one understood it.
मतलब how long have you been watching cricket? ठीक है, can you point out 2 or 3 instances because इतने ही होंगे कि अंपायर ने कोई डिसीजन ही नहीं दिया.
And just imagine there was like they had to come up, they had to basically explain this whole thing on the commentary because even they didn't understand.
It's India and ahead. I mean, you can look at the scores and you can look at those 40 yards, 34, 20 and odd runs. But more than that, it shows कि जिस तरह का value add हुआ है इस टाइम पे गेम पे, जिस तरह पे मतलब we could have been easily 5 down or 6 down. जितना इंडिया का इसमें वो है कि हमने बैटिंग अच्छी करी and then we also applied ourselves really well. I would like to give New Zealand that much credit as well. बहुत
Right,
बहुत
for letting us play that.
lackluster वो था. We kept on missing tricks. मतलब the caliber of Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, you cannot let them get away with it. And the determination
let
of
them
Pujara,
settle.
the determination of Pujara, वो जो 5 दिन खिला देगा तुम्हें, वो 5 दिन खिला देगा, उसको फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता. उसने घर जाना है, बाम लगाना है, जहाँ पे उसके चोट लगी है वो वापस आएगा, वो फिर खा लेगा वो.
Let's hope for a good day tomorrow. Hopefully बारिश ना
for a full day
हो, light
tomorrow.
ठीक रहे. Hopefully दिन हो कल का.
I would like to, again stress on the point that the decision well made hosting it in England during this time. Very good.
काफी
well
सही
done.
दिमाग लगाया गया.
बिल्कुल सही है. मतलब अब मेरे को लगता है कि जिन्होंने ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया है उनकी और आज के अंपायर्स की थिंकिंग बहुत मिलती है because they're excelling at their job apparently.
चलो.
चलो.
See you guys tomorrow.
Yes. Bye bye.
Bye bye.